Hello, my name is Miss Bree and I'm a children's specialist with St. Paul Public Library. Welcome to Baby Signs. In Baby Signs, we will learn sign language that you can use when communicating with your little one. Baby Signs is geared towards children ages newborn to 24 months, but you can certainly teach older children these signs as well. The muscles in baby's hands develop faster than those required for speech, which means that baby is able to communicate with us well before they learn to speak. So today I will show you the sign for all done. To make the sign all done, you will place your palms facing you up like this, and in a swift motion you will push out, just like that. So this is the sign for finished, but it's easier for baby to make, so you can use it for both all done and finished. And you can repeat it a couple times like this. So when using baby signs, you always want to say the word as you are making the sign, so all done. This helps to make the connection in baby's brain between the word and the sign. And all done is a great introductory sign. You can use it at the end of every meal, and allow your baby to tell you when they are done with their food instead of getting fussy sitting with the food on their plate. You can ask baby, "Are you all done?" After they have grasped the concept, you can introduce to other settings, such as playtime, bath time, or any other situation where being finished is a natural conclusion. Thank you so much for joining us for Baby Signs. See you next time. Bye-bye.